anywhere near as impressive as it was 2 minutes ago, and it wasn't that impressive compared to what it was 10 minutes ago. So this storm is definitely dying down. That debris signature is non-existent now, so that's some great news for them in Barber County. They will probably expire that tornado warning, or let it run out, or cancel it again, because we are not seeing any debris there. Now, I'm keeping an eye on a couple of different areas. I'm not sure, Amber, what you want to do, if you want to go back to programming or keep an eye. There's a couple of areas of that I'm just keeping an eye on, just south in Geneva County, and then a little bit into Coffee and Dale County. Now, they're not really areas of big concern at the moment. Honestly, if we weren't going in already in coverage, we definitely wouldn't have broken in for this, but just keeping an eye on this line as it moves through, because again, we've been saying this line is going to have those strong winds. And okay, they just canceled that tornado warning for Barber. That's what I was thinking. Keeping an eye again on this line that's moving through, because those straight line winds, no matter if it's rotating or it's straight line winds, 70-mile-per-hour winds is going to cause some damage. So we're seeing anywhere from probably 50-mile-per-hour winds, I would say, ahead of this line. So keeping an eye on that, and then any of those little pockets. But yeah, I'm over here and I'm sitting there with a fine-tooth comb, just sitting and picking apart these little areas of pockets that maybe might do something. But like I said, there's probably been 5 this morning that I would have been like, let's wait a couple more scans, and then it's completely gone. So that's just the nature of these storms today, and that's kind of typical too. These are very quick-lived if there's any rotation there. So yeah, that Barber County system, they have canceled that tornado warning. I am keeping an eye just east of Abbeville right now, west of Shorterville, just showing a little bit of not rotation, but just an area of concern would be some a good way to put it. And again, that's in Henry County, just west of Shorterville. Just keeping an eye on that right there. So I'm just being very transparent with you guys. This is not a tornado warned storm. I'm not saying that it's going to be, just giving you an insight into my brain, what I'm keeping an eye on at the moment. Again, that's the west of Shorterville, east of Abbeville, just north of County Road 10. Just keeping an eye on that right there. They pretty much, most of the Wiregrass is under a severe thunderstorm warning, so that includes Coffee, Dale, Geneva, Houston, Henry County. So everybody who are within those counties, I would not recommend being on the roadways right now. So if you can delay going to work or school, I know that's not always possible, definitely would recommend that, just because we're seeing those strong wind gusts, heavy downpours. But really, for the more northern part of Dale and Henry County, or not Henry County, excuse me, Dale and Coffee County, things are looking to calm down for you. I think the strongest part of this line has officially moved through here. I'm switching to the reflectivity, so you can see that band is starting to approach Houston County, already really moving through a greater part of Henry County, and really in the middle of Geneva County. So there's a couple of things I'm keeping an eye on, Amber. But overall, no tornado warnings. Couple areas of concern, but even as I'm looking at it again right now, what I told you 3 minutes ago that I was keeping an eye on has already looked like it is not existent anymore. So
which
not
is
a
some
huge
good
area
news,
of concern.
so.
Huh?
Which is some good news.
Yeah, definitely good news.
I do think